and 376 and 380. Wow, this is amazing, guys. And let's give another swipe. 500 followers in just 5 minutes, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to WizTricks. So before we begin this video today, I'm going to tell you about an Instagram update. So Instagram recently updates its algorithms, and most of the websites I provided in the previous videos have stopped working in some countries. So that is why I had to make this video to give you a new trick which is working. So this trick is going to be working for both Android, iOS, and any other phone you're using, and this website is not gonna stop working, guys. So this is the all-time working website, and I guarantee you that this website is definitely gonna work. And if it doesn't work, just come back to this video and hit the dislike button, and do comment that this is not a working website. But if it does work, just give me a thumbs up. So let's not waste any more of your time, and let's get straight into this. So I'm gonna be sending followers on this account. As you can see, this account is a public account, and as you can see, so you need to set your account as public, and then you need to copy its profile URL. So let's click on three dots and copy profile URL, and that's it. Now you need to click on the link given in the description. You'll head to this website. So let's click on the link, and once you click on that link, you need to visit this website, and here you need to register your account by name, email, password, and confirm password. And Skype is optional, it's not necessary. So I've already created an account, so I need to click on the sign in option, and now hit the sign in. So after signing in, you're gonna see an interface like this, and here you can see there are so many services on this website. I'm gonna show you these. Let's click on this: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so many other services, as well as you can see YouTube, Telegram, Spotify, and many other services. And you can buy Instagram followers, Instagram likes, Instagram views, Facebook, and other services. So I'm going to show you again. Here you can see, so I'm going to be setting this Instagram follower option. So now, as you can see, these services are really cheap. As you can see, 0.399 US dollars, and I'm gonna show you in other currencies as well. So I'm gonna change the currency to India. Let's change the currency to Indian rupees, and let me show to my Indian subscribers. And as you can see, so these followers are really cheap. As you can see, 1000 followers for 44 Indian rupees and 1000 followers for 30 Indian rupees. So you can select anyone you want. So I'm going to be selecting this one, and now let me show you again. So all you need to do now is to add some funds on this website. So without funds, you're not getting followers. So let's click on the plus option or add funds. So let's click on that, and now you can see there are so many payment options: Paytm, PhonePe, Perfect Money, and other options. I'm gonna select Paytm. Let's click on that, and here you can see you need to scroll a little bit and then take a screenshot of this QR code, and now open your Paytm. Now click on pay option and click on the gallery option and select this QR code, and after that you're gonna see a black screen because of Paytm securities. So that's it. I'm gonna add 100. So 100 have been added, 100 Indian rupees. Now you need to copy this order ID to the website. So let's paste it right here. So I need to type it because it's not copying from the Paytm. So now type 100, that's the amount I've added, and click on pay. So it will be loaded in a few minutes. And that's it, 104 Indian rupees, because 4 rupees are the bonus they are giving you for adding funds. So now let's place an order. Click on new order, and here you go. So select a category. I'm going to select Instagram followers, and now I'm going to select the category, and I'm going to select this 30 rupees Instagram followers, 1000 followers for 30 rupees. Paste the link you just copied, and quantity is 500. I'm going to send 500 followers. So let's see how fast it works. Click on submit, and the order has been placed. So let's open our Instagram, and as you can see, I have to open that account. So 326 followers already. Wow, this is amazing, guys. I had only 0 followers, and this is working really fast. 380 followers. This is working really fast. As you can see, 519 followers in just 5 minutes. This is absolutely amazing, guys. So guys, if you think this video deserves a like, just give it a like, and do comment what you think about this video. So keep subscribing, and for more videos, you're gonna see many more videos in future as well. So just subscribe this channel and do like and share with your friends. That's it for today. Goodbye, take care, and stay blessed.